everybody, I'm Bob Martin with Ideal Products, and today's video, we're concerned about getting the lockers ready for reopening and have them be considered COVID-19 free, sanitized, disinfected, and we're talking about disinfecting the natural wood lockers, our Imperial 1000, Imperial 2000 series natural wood lockers. They're to be handled differently than the plastic laminate or the solid phenolic or the solid plastic. The natural wood and the finish on the natural wood needs to be protected, and we recommend only using Pledge Clean It. It's got a very, very slight amount of disinfectant agent in it, but it's recommended by the CDC for cleaning the lockers to make them COVID-free. And what we want to do there is, of course, the can needs to be shaken up, and you can apply a liberal amount directly to the door. I'm going to do this twice. Disinfect it on the door. Wipe it around, get all the fingerprints off. Fingerprints could be bearing the COVID virus. And you do 2 applications. This is the cleaning application. That's the first go around. The second go around is the disinfecting portion. Same thing, do it twice. Wipe the door down completely with the Pledge Clean It. Won't take the finish off. Disinfects the COVID-19. That's it.